If I just got monetized on YouTube today, the first $7 that I would spend would not be on equipment. All right, would not be on any new equipment. It would not be on any thumbnails, and it definitely would not be on advertisements. Okay, it would be on safe, royalty-free background music that I could use without getting any copyright claims. Because once you get monetized, you're not just uploading videos anymore. You are operating a revenue stream. You're building a business. You're protecting something that finally pays you back. And small mistakes can get expensive fast. Most creators are going to celebrate when they get monetized, and you should celebrate. However, smart creators are the ones that are going to secure it. Remember that. You go into the next level now, so you need to start to have systems in place. And music is a part of the system. It's all about efficiency and execution. The day you get monetized, that's when everything changes. Before monetization, a copyright claim is just annoying. After monetization, a copyright claim can mean that your money is frozen. It also means that that money could get frozen and then sent to somebody else, and you never get it. Delayed payouts, unnecessary stress, and it's going to force you into all of those disputes to prove that, hey, I'm good to use this music. And overall, that's just going to distract you from creating, and that's the one thing that we got to avoid. So a lot of newly monetized creators really don't realize they should not use free non-for-profit beats, random no copyright uploads that are just floating around on YouTube, okay? Unclear beat leases and licenses, okay? Music you just found on Reddit, and tracks that you don't have any documentation for. That is not what you should do. I know sometimes it's like, I don't feel like doing all that, subscription, this and that, I get it. But when you play that game, you are gambling with your YouTube income. And see, when money is involved, don't gamble. You reduce risk, reduce uncertainty, build systems, move strategically. Remember, this is your YouTube channel, all right? It's not only your pride and joy, but it's a digital asset, okay? Something that's gonna compound and pay you forever. Understand that this is not like regular social media platforms where here today, gone tomorrow. And if you're a creator that uses other platforms, of course you can use, royalty-free music. But the point that I'm making is you need to protect yourself once you're monetized, because you don't want to lose monetization or have any issues and have a big performing video that could have paid you a lot, not pay you anything. I've seen it happen to people. Look, I'm gonna put it in perspective. One claimed video can cost you ad revenue, the time that you spend disputing it, energy, focus, and most of all, momentum. And momentum is everything when you monetize. Or, look, you could pay a subscription to a music platform for $20 to $30 a month. It's not bad, but that's another recurring bill. And if you're not ready to take that on, then you may be exploring other options. Right? Like I said, I get it. It's another login, another library that you got to search through, another expense that's stacking up. And that's another decision every time you got to upload something. See, most creators do not need 50,000 tracks. You just need like 5 to 10 reliable ones, versatile ones, safe to use music. And of course, stuff that fits your brand. You just got to make sure you have something that you can trust without hesitation. Again, we're talking about getting stuff done efficiently. Now, if I just got monetized today, this is exactly what I would do. I wouldn't rush into another subscription if I didn't feel like I needed one, okay? I would actually just go and secure access to some high quality, monetization, safe music without adding another monthly bill. And that's why I built the Savage Sound Library. See, this is a niche premium catalog focused on chill house, chill drum and bass, chill hip hop. We do have subscriptions available, but if you're not ready for that, then it's okay. Because if you just got monetized, you probably don't feel like you need unlimited access, quite yet to like a library. You might not want another subscription right now. You might just want peace of mind. So instead of forcing the monthly subscription to be your only option, I created a discount code, and you can go to savagesoundlibrary.com, enter your email in the section where it says that you can enter your first name, your email, and then you're going to get a discount code. That's a one-time use discount code. It's going to allow you to select up to 10 tracks for 98.5% off. And that's going to come out to $7. Now, if you select less than 10 tracks, the code will still work, but it's still going to be 98.5% off no matter how many tracks you select. So less than $7 if you select less than 7 tracks. Just download the tracks, use them forever, and that's it. Now, here's what I'd actually do after I buy the tracks though. All right, so download the tracks, and then I'll organize them into folders. Kind of just depends on like what you would find to be important, or like your style of video actually that you're consistently making, right? So for example, you got intro vibes, then maybe a folder that says storytelling. Then we have one for like the track that kind of feels motivational, right? If you need one of those. And then maybe this one is just like, okay, I need like a clean background sound, so I would name it that. And then have like a high energy folder for like a high energy video, maybe a faster paced or faster tempo track that would be in there. And then I would just rotate between those as I make my videos, right? And so as I'm building the catalog, boom, we got a familiar sound. You know, it fits the vibe of my channel. It's great. Look, no second guessing, no searching every time you got to upload something, no scrolling through 810,000 tracks. Most of all, no wondering if it's safe, no anxiety before you publish a video. You just drag, drop, upload, monetize, and repeat, right? Because that's what we got to do. This is reps, consistency, and it's going to help you be consistent. That's the system. Monetized creators build systems. They reduce the friction, they remove the decision fatigue, and they stay consistent. Now, here's a quick note on decision fatigue. So I think this is important for business owners, content creators, anybody building a brand or building anything, especially here on YouTube. So according to this Forbes article, and I'll link it below, leadership demands conviction with a never-ending stream of decisions. Now, think about leadership. You're running your brand. You're the one that shoots the YouTube videos and you publish them and you have the strategy. This is your thing. You're the leader in this case. We're talking about corporations, but this applies to individuals. Just want to state that. From budget approvals and hiring calls to strategy pivots and culture questions, leaders are expected to make high-stakes choices day after day. But what happens when your sharp decision-making starts to slip? Not from lack of skill, but from sheer mental overload. Welcome to decision fatigue, the silent performance killer creeping into boardrooms and team huddles. According to the National Library of Medicine research, the average adult makes over 35,000 daily decisions. That cognitive burden can lead to impulsive choices. It can also lead to mental exhaustion and a tendency to avoid decision-making altogether. Decision fatigue is especially dangerous for leaders. Remember, you are the leader of your brand. You're the leader of your whole operation, your business, whatever you're here building on this YouTube or whatever social platform that you're building on, whatever format that you're building on is what I'm saying. But I'm talking to YouTubers now. Each new decision becomes more mentally taxing as the day progresses. That drains your mental reserves and it really increases the risk of poor judgment or even decision paralysis. Even the most strategic minds can lose their edge when fatigue sets in. So this is what Forbes is saying. They started off talking about corporations, then they start talking about individual adults make over 35,000 decisions daily. Come on, that's a lot. However, it's very true. After you make so many decisions, it's hard to make a decision. So that's why when you are in your workflow, making your videos, you want to just have music that you can grab, drag, drop. Like you don't want to think about it too much, right? We are here to reduce the decision fatigue, build a system that's going to allow you to be consistent and grow that YouTube channel to whatever you want to grow to, a kabillion, dog. Now, back to the music. You don't need 1,000 generic stock tracks. What you need is music that's going to sound polished and professional, premium. It doesn't feel like it's recycled or generic. It's going to match the tone of your brand, most importantly, and it supports your storytelling or whatever you have going in your YouTube videos. It won't trigger any copyright claims. That's the most important thing. Too many options is going to make hesitation for you. Hesitation is going to slow down your uploads. Then slow uploads is going to reduce your momentum. Income is what we are here to protect with royalty-free and copyright-free music. 10 strong tracks is better than a bloated library that you're never going to use. Curated means you edit faster. Faster editing means you're going to publish the video faster. You publish more, you get more data. More data means more optimization. And you know what happens when YouTube optimizes? Boom. To the moon. So you got to be ready for that. So no, I did not create some random like 10 track pack. I created a premium music catalog. And for newly monetized creators, I unlocked a way for you to get, access to it and test it out before you commit to a monthly subscription. You can pick any 10 tracks that you like. We got mostly beats. We have some songs on there as well. And you'll get 10 of them for $7 total. That's 98.5% off. Use them forever, no recurring payments, no licensing confusion, no weird fine print, no surprise claims. I built this for creators who just unlocked their monetization and don't want to lose it. So look, if I was in your position, I'd be a little bit excited, a little bit cautious, thinking long term, making sure I protect this new income stream that I've unlocked because I'm on YouTube, freshly monetized. And this will be the smartest $7 that I would spend. Not because it's cheap, but because it's going to protect my revenue. It's going to protect my workflow. It's going to protect my peace of mind. And it protects my publishing rhythm. And it protects my growth. So the link, savagesoundlibrary.com, is in the description. Enter your email, get the discount code, pick your tracks, build your system, upload with confidence, and protect what you just unlocked.